So this is our stateroom for the week. It is Inside Cabin 6291. It is here in the midship on the starboard side. And we are kind of value cruisers. We don't get the balconies a lot. These inside rooms are small, but they suit our needs. They're cool and dark when we want to take naps during the middle of the day. And hey, we don't spend a lot of time in our rooms anyway, so this does well for us, and we're going to show you everything it has to offer right now. Got a nice king-size bed here. They can also configure it into 2 twins, and on either side there are lamps with storage space underneath. Got a nice shelf area over here with 3 shelves, the desk, got a large screen TV, and inside here is the mini fridge. So over here we've got the makeup counter and a nice desk area. If you pull this drawer out, you'll see that you've got the hair dryer and a little bit of storage space. There's also a European outlet, 2 standard US outlets, and 2 USBs, as well as your telephone. Standard cruise ship bathroom here on the Vista. We do have a shower curtain instead of the glass, so that's something that I'm not a big fan of, but we make it work. There's also plenty of shelving units for your hygiene. And inside the shower, they do have dispensers for shampoo and shower gel. We've got 1 main closet here, 2 separate doors. You see here on the right, we've got plenty of hangers and an empty space for you to put whatever you need. Over on the right, there is also a full-length mirror. And over here on the left, there are 2 cubbies on top. We've also got our safe here, followed by another cubby and 3 drawers. You may be thinking there's not a whole lot of space. Where the heck am I gonna put my luggage? And we like to put ours underneath the bed. There is plenty of room to slide your suitcases under there and get them out of the way so you can have room to move around. Make sure you bring something. It can be a membership card or anything just to stick here in the light switch. That way you can keep your lights on without having to stick your sign and sail card in there. That's it, room 6291 inside stateroom here on the Carnival Vista. Please smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the Cruise World with that notification bell on so you'll get notified when we post new cruise videos. As always, remember, life is short, cruising is fun. We'll see you next time.